Today we're going to be looking at a few more advanced set and rep schemes and how you can program them in FEAK. So first of all, we're going to be starting with some wave loading. So firstly, let's add an exercise, A1. We're going to use the bench press as the lift. Mid grip, pronated barbell. Submit. So first port of call when utilizing our custom reps, which we're going to be using for our wave loading, is selecting the number of sets. So let's, for example, use 6 sets for a 5-3-1. We're going to hit custom reps and you'll see our cog appears here, which is where we input our custom reps. So you'll see I've selected 6 sets. We're going to go 5 for set 1, 3 for set 2, and 1. There's going to be 2 waves, 5-3-1. Submit. Now, same as usual programming, we can set in our lifting speed. So for this example, 30x0, 180 seconds. And I'm going to use, for our intensity type, I'm going to use kilos. And I'm also here going to use this custom intensity option. Now this will give us a cog like the custom reps, and it'll give us our 6 sets that we can input custom intensity. So for example, we know that set 1's 5, set 2's 3, set 3 is 1 rep. So as a coach, we can input the loads we want the client to start on. So let's say, for example, for simplicity, we're going to go 100 kilos for 5, we're going to go 105 kilos for 3, we're going to go 110 kilos for 1. Then for our second wave through, we're going to start 5 reps at 105, 110, and finish with 115. Submit. Now the same way we duplicate just normal rep ranges or traditional set rep schemes, we're going to duplicate that down for all cycles. We can go in and change our rep numbers for each set if we wanted to, but if we're going to use 5-3-1 like this example, we'll leave that the same. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into cycle 2. I'm going to change the loads by 1 kg. Submit. And I can then go in and do the same thing for cycle 3 and for cycle 4. Save.